Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling trap boilers. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For the units, about like a 12 inches wide. And the depths about the units include the small pipe connections. It's almost about like a 26 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 15.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with a small controllers at the front and they have a windows on the side. You can monitor the fires. Look in the bottoms, there's a tray for you to collect all the dirt, dust, or oils. They drop from the top to the bottoms. And they do have a full light standing to holding these units. And when we look in the top, we can find they have the boilers, the cooking areas right here, and the dimensions of it. It's about like a 18.5 inches deep and 12 inches wide. And also they have a small hole right here to collect all the dirt, so you can just clean it up. And when we look at the side of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers, and also from the manufacturers, they do offer the regulators, prepare the gas connections, and also on the back they have a notice, and you just need to read before the installations. So this will be all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.